In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete Yahoo emails by date range. If your inbox is overflowing but you only want to remove messages from a specific period, this method is fast, precise, and easy to repeat whenever you need it. Start by opening Yahoo Mail and clicking inside the search bar at the top. This is where we'll tell Yahoo exactly which emails we want to see. In the search field, type 2 filters to define your window of time after YYY 2000 1000 and before. YYY 2000 1000, use 4 digits for the year, then a slash. Then 2 digits for the month and day. For example, after 2020, 211 before, 2020, 21230, 1 will display all emails from the year 2020. 2. Make sure T here is a space between the two filters. And double-check the date so you capture exactly what you intend. Once you press enter, your results will update to show only the messages that fall within that range. With your results on screen, it's time to select them. Click the checkbox at the top left of the message list. This selects everything currently visible on the page. But if you have many emails, you'll likely have more than one page of results. To include every message in your date range, look for the blue link that appears near the top of the results. It says, select all conversations that match this search. Click that link to confirm that you are selecting all matching emails, not just the ones on the first page. This step is crucial if you want to clear the entire range in one go. Now delete the selected messages by clicking the delete icon, which looks like a trash can. Yahoo will move those emails to the trash folder. If you need a moment to review what was removed, you can visit the trash to skim through them. To free up storage space and make the deletion permanent, go to the trash folder and select Empty Trash. Yahoo may prompt you to confirm, since this action cannot be undone. Once confirmed, those emails are permanently removed and your mailbox storage will update accordingly. If you just deleted a large volume, give Yahoo a moment to process everything. That's it. You opened Yahoo Mail filtered by a precise date range, selected all matching conversations, deleted them, and then emptied the trash to finalize the cleanup. If you are nervous about deleting too much, try a small date window first to confirm the results look right. Then repeat with your full range. Thanks for watching.